In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your chat widget in Go High Level. We'll walk through the process from inside your Go High Level account, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a chat widget that you can place on your website to capture leads and talk to visitors in real time. First, log into your Go High Level account and head over to the main navigation menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see a series of options. Look for the one labeled Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps all the tools related to your web presence, like funnels, websites, forms, and of course, your chat widgets. Go ahead and click on Sites to open that section. Once you're inside the Sites area, you'll see several tabs or options depending on your setup. Find and click on Chat Widget. This is the dedicated area where you can create, manage, and customize the chat bubble that appears on your website. If you've never created a widget before, this page might look fairly empty, and that's completely fine. Next, you're going to create a brand new widget. Look for a button or link that says Add. This might be at the top right or near the middle of the page. Click on Add to start the setup process for a new chat widget. Think of this as creating a container that will hold all the design settings, behavior rules, and connection details for your chat. After you click Add, Go High Level will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to name your widget, choose the colors and branding that match your website, and set up things like a welcome message or greeting that visitors will see when the chat bubble opens. Take your time with these prompts. When you choose colors, make sure the text is easy to read against the background. When you write your greeting, keep it short, friendly, and clear, so visitors immediately understand they can reach out and get help or ask questions. As you continue through the prompts, you may also see options for where the chat bubble appears on the screen, such as the bottom right corner and how it behaves on desktop versus mobile. Adjust these settings according to what works best with your site layout. Once you've gone through all the on-screen prompts and saved your changes, your new chat widget is created and ready to be installed on your website. From here, you can copy the provided code from Go High Level later and embed it on your site, so visitors can start chatting with you right away.